In this lecture, we're going to show how to use a tool draft. So first, let's create a sketch on the top plane. Let's go with rectangle, like this. Let's click OK. Now let's go with features, Extruded Boss base. And the first option where we can use a draft is here. So here we can define the depth. Let's go to 30. And here we have icon draft on and off. We can turn this on, and now here we can define an angle. So let's go, for example, with 15 degrees. And we can see the preview. As well, we can check this draft outward, and now we have draft to other direction, like this. So you can increase the angle here, and you can see simultaneously the changes here, and you can decrease. So this is the one option where you can use a draft in the Boss Extrude. Now let's uncheck this, and let's click OK. Now let's go here on this plane. Let's create a sketch here. Let's go with rectangle, like this, and let's click OK. Now let's go to the features, and let's choose Extruded Cut. So let's go with 30 mm depth, and also here we have a draft option. We can also turn on draft here. Now we can see the preview, like this. We have 21 degrees. We can go outward, like this if we want. Let's click OK. And now we got this result. But there is also a tool draft. If we go to features, here we have a draft tool. Let's turn on this. And now here we can choose the type of draft. We can go with neutral plane, parting line, and step draft. We're gonna go with neutral plane. So here we have to choose the neutral plane, and our neutral plane will be this one for now. And now we have to choose faces to draft. So which faces we want to draft? So we're gonna choose this one, this one, this one, and this one. And now here we're gonna find an angle, so let's go with 15 degrees. And now as you see, we don't see a preview, but let's click OK. And this is the result. Let's go back, let's go edit. And now let's delete phase 5 and phase 4. And let's click OK. And now we can see that we draft only this face and this face, not those two faces. So we can select here separately which face we want to draft. Let's go back. Let's go edit. Now let's delete here, clear selection, and here. Now let's choose for a neutral plane this one. So we're going to draft relative to this plane. And now faces to draft, we're going to choose this one here. Let's go with 30 degrees, like this. Let's click OK. And now we got this result. We can also change the direction, so we can go to draft again, edit feature, and here we can go to reverse direction, like this. Let's go with angle 15 degrees, like this, and let's click OK. And now we got this result. So as you can see, you can use draft in the Extruded Boss base, Extruded Cut, or you can use a tool here, draft. Here you have to choose a neutral plane, and relative to this neutral plane, you can draft faces that you select.